Hey everyone, in this video I'll be unboxing the Doobie wireless car charger mount. I got this from the Amazon.com and this was priced $69. I also got the USB-C car charger, which is the cigarette charger, because unfortunately this does not come with it, so I have to purchase it separately. This was around $15, and also bought a headphone adapter to plug this to my car. So if you saw my previous video, I recently bought a Galaxy Z Fold 3 and I've been looking online for the best wireless car charger to mount in my car, and they suggest that this was the best one, so I'm going to try this out. So first we're going to unbox the fast wireless car charger. So as you can see in the front we have the charger, and on the back it just tells you some specs about the charger. And this has 15-watt fast wireless charging, so this is why I bought this. So we have a little tape here, so let's go ahead and open it. So inside we have a quick user guide. Just tells you how to set it up, how to attach the charger together and mount it to your car. Just pretty easy. Here we have the suction cup. So you would put this on your windshield or the base, or on a surface, sorry. We have, this is for the vent, so you would clip this onto your vent of your car. If you don't want to use the suction cup, you can use this. Here is the wireless charger mount, and we have a USB Type-C to Type-A cable. And that's all for the box. Now we'll just do a quick unboxing of the charger, cigarette charger. Nothing much. Here it is. So this is going to hopefully equip well with the wireless charger. And then the headphones adapter, I'll just quickly unbox it. There you go, just the USB-C to headphone output. So back to the Qi wireless charging. So as you can see, the reason why I bought this is for my phone, like I previously said. But just take a quick look around. So it has a nice matte soft pad here, so this is where your phone will sit and will wirelessly charge. And on the bottom we have this button here to open and close the cradle. And here we have a USB Type-C port. And there's also a LED flash. And here on the back we just unscrew this, and this is where we will put our mount. So I'll just quickly show you how to put the mount on. So let's say I want to put this on. So I'm just going to open this, and then you put this this piece here, and then put the ball in, snaps into place, and then screw it on with this washer here. And there you go. Make sure it's nice and tight, and this will go on your windshield or on the surface of the car. So it might look something like this when it's in the car. So that's the suction cup, and then this is for the vent. So what you do is same thing, you just put this washer here, put the ball in, make sure it's nice and tight, and then what you do is you will clip this on the back of your on the back of the vent. So this will be clipped onto the vent, and you got this little stand here to help keep the cradle in place. It's got these little rubber feet here too, so it doesn't scratch the surface of your car. This is probably the one I will most likely use, just because it won't be on my windscreen or anything, so that'll be perfect. So now I'm just going to demonstrate to you how to place the phone in. So obviously I'm going to have to put the cable in. So I don't have my car here, but just pretend I have a car. So you're going to put the USB-C in here, and this is going to attach to the cigarette charger, and this will go into your cigarette port in your car. But in this case I don't have it. I don't have a car to demonstrate that. So I'm just going to plug it into my power bank. As you can see, the light turns up. As you can see, it's kind of, I think it's expanded. So it's ready to, it's telling me that it's ready, I'm ready to put my phone in. As you can see on the bottom, the LED light lights up. So here I've got my fold. I'm just going to put this in. So as you can see, it recognizes the fold and immediately closes it. And as you can see, my phone is wirelessly charging. As you can see on the top, it is charging. And when you're ready to take it out, all you have to do is just press the button, and then it detracts, and you can take your phone out. Now I'm going to show you in the unfolded mode. So it fits perfectly. Make sure you just slot it in, and then there you go. As you can see, it isn't wirelessly charging. That's because if you look on the back here, the wireless coil is on the top, not the bottom. So if you wanted to wirelessly charge, you need to place the fold this way. So make sure this is sitting on the bottom, and there you go, it is wirelessly charging. And this is really good for me, because this is going to be useful when I use this as my GPS while I'm driving. This is going to be sitting in the cradle, hands-free, so I'll be able to use this as my GPS while I'm driving, and if I want to change music, I can use this as well. And this is why I bought this. The thing is, oh, it's on this side actually. So that's very smart that they have a hole here. And so if I want to put it, so I can just plug this in, and this will go into, or the headphone cable will go into here, and I can use this to listen to music. So yeah, that's about it. That's the wireless charger. I'm not going to say much more about it, other than I'm going to use this as my, this is going to sit in my car mounts, and I'm going to use my fold as my GPS while I'm driving. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little quick video unboxing and little demonstration of the wireless car charger mount. Thank you for watching.